Hey guys, welcome back. It feels like it's been forever since I sat down and filmed a video, and that's because it has been. I've literally been in India. I've been rearranging my room, which a little series is coming up on that, and I just haven't like sat down with y'all in a really long time. Really excited to just kind of like get into it, create again. I've also been really busy with my new-ish job. I have to do like a whole life update once like things get settled again, but a lot's been going on. I've been working 40 hours a week, but now that was seasonal, so I'm kind of like in between right now, which if you were watching me like this time last year, I was kind of also in the same boat. I'm just like trying to figure things out, find a flow, and I'm doing that yet again. So you live, you learn. I guess this time around I'll just apply myself differently. But anyway, that's like totally besides the point. Like I said, that'll be another video. Today's video though is going to be a fall haul. So part of this is thrift, secondhand, Depop. Also, sorry if you can hear the music. It is like Labor Day in Brooklyn, West Indies kind of celebration, so everyone's popping off, everyone's grilling. It's a good time, but sorry if you can hear that. I'm also kind of at a point where you'll see in my minimizing series where my closet was empty, like very empty. Like I have my staple jeans, trousers, and then I have like my button downs, 1 or 2 dresses, but for the most part like my closet ended up being very empty in terms of like nicer wear. Do I have a bunch of t-shirts and leggings and tank tops? Hell yes, like enough, definitely enough. I'm kind of at this point in my fashion journey where I'm gonna let this plane pass. My style is changing to kind of be just a bit more like I could wear this in the office kind of setting, or like out, or just casually, like definitely more like elevated basics. With that being said, longest intro ever to a haul. I just like a lot of disclaimers. Sustainability, like watered down, a very watered down definition of it is don't take more than you need, and you can give as much as you take. That's kind of the gist of it. So I just feel like I took way more than I needed, kind of justifying like it was an empty closet and these things I will wear for a very long time, so I won't have to take again. Okay, anyway, I need a water break. I'm talking a lot. Got this little Hydro Flask for the Labor Day sale. First of all, let me say I was in the market for them anyway, and then there was like sale, but it's their 24 ounce with a little straw top. Guys, this is the cutest straw top I've ever seen. Like it's so tiny, I can't get over it, and also like it's just a really good travel size. I'm gonna move on into the actual thrift store. I was on the hunt for a vest, didn't quite find one, but I did pick up a few other things. I'm first gonna show you this dress that I actually took in and altered myself, which I'm really proud of. I have a Instagram reels on this, like how I did all of that and then took in the sides. And someone else had actually tried taking this in before me, but I had a vision for this. I was like, this with a jean jacket and some brown leather boots, like I can see it for fall. It's so cute, so romantic. So I really like this. Super easy to layer. I think layering dresses is like really underrated, but can elevate your look but make you look super cute at the same time and just keep you cozy and extend your wardrobe into more seasons. I tailored this myself. I like couldn't believe it. Then I found a few other kind of like neutrally tops. This I fell in love with when I saw, and I was like, it doesn't fit, I won't get it, but if it does fit, it's mine. So I tried this on. It's this kind of like vest top, but not really. It's paisley, it's a square neckline. It is so well structured and soft. Love the colors, like these are great for fall. It's just such a great top. I don't know who would get rid of this, but I'm glad they did because now it's mine. There's no brand in this. It was cut out, so unfortunately I don't know what it is, but it has like a zipper closure in the back, and I just think it's phenomenal. I was so excited to grab this. Next, I got this H&M kind of like jacket top. I can tell why it ended up in the thrift because I feel like it's a very unique piece, but it's very structured and very like, this is the vibe I'm going for, like businessy kind of. I washed it, dried it on top of my chair, so it's a little wrinkled, but it's got pockets, very structured, very chic, very like Euro Paris kind of vibe. So I really like the collar as well. I also picked up this white blouse. I kind of went in there for like basics and was like, if I find this, I will get it. And it's a white blouse. I had in my mind like something I could wear a little bit dress up or dress down, and when I stumbled across this, I was like, this is it, this is perfect. Unfortunately, it's Pretty Little Thing, which is still fast fashion, but it's this white blouse with these really nice half sleeves and you can see the tie because the back is completely open. So it's sexy, but it's classy. You could dress it up or dress it down. I just feel like the opportunities are endless, especially with this like white color. Very into that. Last thing I got from the thrift, I think is actually a bit more winter, so like late fall, winter. I think it was either $3 or $5, and I was like, there's no way I'm passing this up, especially because I also have a vision for this. It is this Talbot's brand navy blue vest. I thought this was to die for. I think vests, first of all, are super comfy. I love like how puffy this is. It's not like too puffy. Great pockets. This buttons up all the way. I feel like it did come with a hood at some point, but whoever like had it might have just lost it. But no, it comes all the way up, I guess like a cowl neck. But I see this with like a chunky knit, like white sweater underneath, maybe some denim and like comfy boots with it. It actually makes me excited for winter, which I never thought I'd say. Very into this, and that is the last thing I got from the thrift. I'm gonna move on into ThredUp, which is another online thrift store. If you want $40 off your first purchase, I have a link down below. You can use that. I got the most darling shoes I've ever laid my eyes on. I wore them the other night and I was in love with how comfortable they are and just how classy they are. So they're these nude kind of kitten heel pump sling back patent leather toe like leather shoes. I love these. I think they're so classy, so cute, so wearable. So many different ways you can wear them. They were at like $15, which is also crazy to me. This slingback design I've been obsessed with, and so when I finally came across them on ThredUp, I was like sold, because I've been looking at ones on The RealReal, which is luxury consignment, and like seeing some like Chanel ones. I'm like, yeah, those are also really cute, but they're $400. So when I saw these for $15, I was like, this is the vision come true. And I love that they're fully nude. Like, I just think they're so adorable. And it's definitely like a different take on a ballet flat. I think it's just a little bit more like tiny bit sexier, but it's not anything crazy. I really love these. I also scored a little top for I think like $7 or $8 in this cute, adorable color that I think is great for this time of year. I wouldn't say lime green, but definitely like a brighter green. Collared, it buttons twice in the front and then it's open and it has like button closures for the sleeves. Very comfortable, very cute. It is a little bit trendy, which I'm a little bit wary of, but I really like it. And it's so comfortable. Again, I could dress this up or could dress this down and wear it just a variety of ways. So I'm really excited to have gotten my hands on something like this. It's just one of those like tops like you'll reach for it and it'll be an easy outfit, but you know you're gonna look good in it. Okay, next I'm really excited for these pants. They're both two pairs of leather pants. One is brown. I adore this color. I think in January I was actually trying to thrift a pair of leather pants and never really found anything. So when I saw these on ThredUp and they were my size, I was like, I have to have them. They also just had like a big end of summer kind of like clear out sale. I didn't expect them to be like snakeskin pattern. I'm not sure if like the camera is picking that up, but they are. It's not a huge turn off for me, but just something like I wasn't expecting. I would say maybe more like straight boot cut leg, maybe even wide leg, but I really like these. With ThredUp, you always get a really good deal, so those are fairly inexpensive. And next, I got a black pair for the Beyonce concert I'm going to in September, which there are a few other things in this haul that are also for that concert. I think these were like $12 when they're normally, I don't know. Retail is like way more than that. They're a Zara brand. These are also straight leg, but at the bottom, I found out today that they have this nifty little zip kind of opening. So, and they're like lined on the inside. Both of these pants are. So again, good for fall, winter. So sneaky. So if you ever just want some more breathability, undo the leg and boom, you've got a lot more breathing room. So I was actually really excited to see that. It's just a little hidden surprise to your pants that I like to see. Very excited to wear these in September because the Superdome is definitely, like I'm going to New Orleans, the Superdome is definitely like cooled and chilled. Also, leather pants have become like pretty staple for fall, winter, at least in New York. Like it's a bit more like edgy here, so I definitely see myself wearing those. We are nearing the end here. I think I'm gonna start with stuff I was alluding to for Beyonce. I want to show you guys the boots, but I'm gonna save those because they're so to die for. But first though, I ended up getting this brown vest. This was like, I think $5 or so. I'm gonna list the Depop seller that sold me this vest and these two shoes because her shop is super cute, and also she'll work with you on like bundles and stuff. So I got this brown vest, and you might be like, hey, don't you have something like that? I do, but it's a medium, and I'm gonna list it. This is just a bit more fitting, and I like the neck and everything, so I'm going to keep this one and get rid of the other one. That's kind of like what my mentality was for everything here, is like I'll get rid of something and then replace it with something that I'm gonna love even more. Next from her, I got a black pair of just like platform sandal heels. I don't have any black heels, and I know I'll wear these. Oh, they're so cute. They remind me of like a Bratz doll, and I think that's why I just love them so much. Yeah, I think like these will be good for just like a night out. Honestly, even in the summer, if I just like want to be a bit fancier. I am a girl that just loves heels and loves any excuse to wear heels. If the time's not right, I'm gonna make the time right. I just think these are amazing. Here we are. Time to show you guys the boots. The boots. Yeah, they're pretty wild, but it's because it's Beyonce and she's like, wear silver, and I was like, bet, I will do that for you. These are the shoes. I can't believe I'm gonna wear them. I can't believe it, but like, are you kidding me? Gorge. The heel is super funky. I think these are like Jessica Simpson, but I think what I'm gonna do is wear them for the concert and then list them, and so hopefully someone can give them more love than I will just for the one concert. Otherwise, I will find occasions to wear these two. You bet your bottom dollar, because that's normally not like me. Like the leather pants, I'm like, okay, I know I'm gonna wear these more often. The shoes though, I just feel like are so important to the look, and these were $40 versus getting like another pair of boots or heels that I also just wouldn't wear that often. That would be more expensive. So all in all, it's serving its purpose. It's a good deal, and I do think someone somewhere will love these once, you know, I wear them that one time and just pass them along. It's almost like the sisterhood of the traveling pants, but it's silver boots. To go with the pants, I also got this like holographic top. It's really form-fitting. It's almost like if you ever did gymnastics, like a leotard material, that's what this is. So the issue is I had gotten this shirt before I'd gotten the shoes, and it was $5 on Depop, and I know it looks honestly stunning with the leather pants. The thing is, this clashes with the shoes, so now I'm gonna have to like go over my head another way I can like wear this outfit, or like another top I can get. But I'm so excited for Beyonce. Y'all have no idea. But I'm definitely gonna wear this top just like a bunch of different ways. This is something though that normally I wouldn't buy just to buy because it is cute, like an impulse purchase. Like this is a planned kind of like event trip sort of thing. So normally like this isn't something I'd get, but it was cheap, so I did buy it. But that was Depop. Lastly, we're at Poshmark. I've really been wanting like a grayscale sneaker. I did a little search on Poshmark. I think if you're looking for something specific, and especially shoes, Poshmark is the place for you. I ended up getting these New Balances, worn literally one time, like look at that, for a really good deal. I got them for $130. I think they retail for like $180. These are the New Balances 993. I really don't know sneakers like that. Like I'm not a sneakerhead. I don't understand how that whole world works. But these are those if you're interested in getting something similar. I did see some that had like green here, but I already have so much green. I was like, you know what, I can commit to gray. But I just think these are absolutely adorable. They're very sleek as well, which I really love. They're just chunky enough, you know, they're not like this shoe is a chunky shoe, but they're like sleek and streamlined to where I can be really comfortable wearing them, but also, you know, look put together. I'm excited to style them for the fall winter. All right, y'all, that is going to be the end of this fall haul. So don't forget to stay tuned on this channel, subscribe so you can see like my lookbook, trend forecasting kind of video. I'm really excited to make that and put that out for y'all. And also on my Instagram, so you can kind of like get a sneak peek of how and when and where I wear these sorts of things, whether that be on my story or just a regular grid post. But I want to thank you so much for spending your time with me today and sticking through this video. It was a long one. I'm like losing my voice as I speak. I'm gonna go now. I'm done rambling. I'm done talking about clothing. The point is to be intentional with your purchases. And as I've cleared out my closet and had my eyes on these things for like some of them at the beginning of the year, I think I get like a little bit of a pass, or like I just hope you know that these are intentional purchases and I'm not like going out and like impulsively just like adding things to cart, because then I wouldn't be able to pay my rent, honestly. If you stuck it out all the way, love you so much. Don't forget to be kind to yourself, others, and the planet, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.